what is up? I haven't seen y'all in so long. I just did my hair and I wanted to come on here and show you guys. Look at it. It is so pretty. So for the month of April, I am laying down the wigs and I am going for natural hairstyles, as you can see, and I am so satisfied with it. But I was like, okay, let me do my makeup with it so my hair can pop even more, or my face can pop even more. So let's do my makeup. Press my face with One Size Hydro Scalp Moisturizer. For my oily face, I love to use this combo by the Nessamyrex, their water powder serum and their blurring balm. These two together are amazing. I'm not going for a complicated look because the hairstyle doesn't need a complicated look. Really dries fast, so it's already dried. My blurring balm. The places where the oil, like my T-zone. I'm also going to use the skin tint, so I'm using all the Nessamyrex. I'm going to do my brows off camera and then I'm gonna come. So I'm back. Did my brows, color corrected. So my brows have been doing me dirty lately. Like they're not coming out as twins. Okay, I don't know what's going on with my brows, but we're gonna take it as it is. I'm then going in with the Nessamyrex skin tint. I am in the shade number 13. I'm going to apply this all over my face. I already color corrected. So yeah guys, how's life? How's everything? What have you guys been up to, guys? With me, life is going good. Life is amazing. But 2 years ago, I went on a suicide mission called a master's study. So I am in my graduating stage and I have a few let me not call it a suicide mission, but the study has been whooping my behind, guys. It has been working on my mental health. The way I have been coping with this is making videos. And actually God has been helping me, because if I didn't have God and I didn't have my videos, I would have stopped immediately. Because one thing about me, when things work on my mental health, I stop immediately. Nothing is going to be the boss of me. No, nothing. I don't like to stress in this life. I need my mind to be calm at all times. Like I do not like stress at all, y'all, guys. And this study, it has been causing me since the day I went into my second year, because I am doing a psychology. I am doing psychology, and guys, guys, so if you want to do a master's study, don't do it. I'm kidding. Do you, boo? But I have to graduate soon, and I think these last days have been like working just on my nerves and stuff, and on my mental health. So we're going for a natural look, a natural bead. I am using L'Oreal True Match. I seriously love this concealer. I don't know why it doesn't want to focus. Yeah, like I have been saying, making videos and making content, that's like my way of coping with the stress, and it has been helping so much. It has been helping me so much, guys. So I blend out my concealer with this House Labs brush, and I like to put on my blush under my concealer. So I am going to use this blush by Makeup Forever. This is the HD palette, and I like to go with these two shades. This one and this one, these two shades. I'm putting it under my concealer. So we're in springtime, so this calls for a lot of blush. It's time where the blush comes out. I wasn't a fan of blush, guys, but lately I have been a blush girly true and true. Like, sometimes I bring my blush all the way under my eye. And I'm gonna blend out my concealer. Like I've been saying, the study. Yeah, the study, she's been whooping my behind. But God helps me get through the day and content. So if you don't follow me on TikTok yet, make sure to go follow me. See the line of demarcation here? I'm taking my foundation brush and then going over it so it blends in seamlessly.